Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to perform a factory reset on your Nothing Phone 2A. So keep in mind that this one will delete all the data on your phone. So let's go to the settings. Here they are. Now scroll down and find System tab. Here it is. Now in your system, find it and look for your reset options. Tap here. So you are to choose reset all data, factory reset. Simply tap here, press erase all data. Now you are to enter your password if you have one, right? Let's do this. Let's enter. Confirm it by pressing erase all data. And now your phone is erased. Easy as that. It takes something about a minute, and after that, the phone will be rebooted and it will be like new. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.